the chromatic scale. Alright, so you're using each one of your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how the fingers are numbered. You don't use the thumb when we're talking about the fretting hand. So each of these strings is E, A, D, G, B, E. Eat all day, get big, easy. And each of these frets is 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you go to fret a note, you want to get as close to that fret as possible without going over it. So if you're over top of it, it sounds like this. If you're too far away from it, it sounds like this. So you want to be close to it so you can hear the true sound. You can really notice the muting when you're on top of the little strings. Alright, so how to play the chromatic scale. You're just going open 1, 2, 3, 4 on each string. Open 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the goal is to work on getting close to the fret and putting the tip of your finger on the string and not the pad. When you're working on making this faster yourself, at first especially, you don't want to increase the speed by 10 beats per minute. You want to do it by 3 beats per minute. We'll play this at 60 beats per minute. Then the next speed you would play it at would be 63, and then 66, and then 69, and so on. What I'm doing now is I'm giving you every 10 so that you can have a way to check yourself. Here is a little play along. We're starting with the metronome on 60 beats per minute. The click is the quarter note, so each note that you play will happen on a click. 1, 2, 3, 4. 60 eighth notes, or double time, meaning there's going to be 2 notes per click. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.